Risk disclaimer. So in this video, we are going to be looking at the currency strength for the week. We will take a look at the Forex calendar for the week. Hello, my name is Emmanuel Adigbola, aka the Forex Apostle, and I want to welcome you to this video. Please do me a favor, if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel and you love what we are doing, smash on that subscribe button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, share this video with someone, and of course, like this video, and then leave your comment at the comment section of this video. If there's any currency pairs that you want us to include on our weekly analysis, as you know, this Forex market analysis and forecast comes to you every Monday like this. Okay, so I'm going to give you 5 seconds to do that, and we will dive into the Forex market analysis and forecast for the week. All right, welcome back. So let's look into the currency strength for the week. As you can see, GBP is strong, okay, except anything changes. Canadian dollars is strong. Japanese yen is also coming up gradually. Swiss franc, little in the middle. And as you can see, USD is flat. So I won't expect much from a EURUSD or major currency pairs this week. And when we talk about major currency pairs, we are talking about any currency pairs that has the USD, okay, in it. So this week, I'm not really expecting much from that. But when you look at the BTC, of course, Bitcoin is still down. New Zealand dollars, as you can see, is weak, and Aussie dollars is weak. And as usual, we know that you buy the strength, right? You buy the strength and you sell the weak. You buy the strength, you sell the weak. So this week we're looking to buying GBP, buying Canadian dollars, and of course selling, shorting New Zealand dollars and the AUD, Australian dollars. So when you look at these major currency pairs that I'll be focusing more on this week will be GBP, GBPAUD. I would like to know what GBPNZD, GBPNZD is doing. GBPNZD, I would like to see what is doing. And of course, I would like to see what CAD, is doing. Canadian Aussie CAD, AUD CAD. I would like to see what is doing this week. And some of all these GBP and Aussie crosses. That's what I'll be looking into doing this week. Then let's take a look at the Forex calendar, of course, for the week. So as you can see from this calendar, it's not really going to be a busy week at all. But if you are watching this video, definitely the one on Sunday must have passed, because this video comes out every Monday. So as you can see, on Sunday we go have this will be Japanese yen news coming up right there. National Bureau of Statistics of China will release this. That must have been yesterday if you are watching this video on Monday. Then let's focus on the Monday. As you can see, it's still going to be Japanese yen also Monday. So this week is good. Especially Monday and Tuesday, we'll be looking into Japanese yen crosses. That might be a very good opportunity right there. Tuesday, there is nothing. As you know, I focus majorly on the high impact, okay, fundamentals, okay. There are mediums and the low one, but I focus on the ones with red color. And by the way, if you are wondering, okay, where am I getting this data from? It's from Forex Factory, but we are putting something together also for you at the forexapostlementoring.com. forexapostlementoring.com. Would like to provide you all the tools that you need, and that is why if you go to the Forex Apostle Mentoring the Forex Apostle mentoring.com. Right now, we are also building all these tools for you so that you'll be able to make use of them. You see the economic calendar, Forex map, Forex sentiment, Forex brokers, and of course, talking about the spread, the correlation, and liquidity, then volatility, and the rest. So we are working towards making this available for you, and it depends on when you are watching this video. Right now it must have already been available. Okay, so make sure you check that out. Okay, let's continue with our analysis. So we are looking into the calendar. So Wednesday is going to be a busy day for GBPAUD and GBPAUD. As you can see, GBP will go be having by 1 a.m. This is Central Time. I'm in Dallas, so we're going to be expecting this release also from GB. That would be from Office of National Statistics. That would be in Great Britain, right there. So we look forward on Wednesday, GBPAUD, GBPAUD. That will be a busy day talking about this employment change and employment rate for Aussie dollars. And of course, Bank of England governor speaks by 8:15 on that same day, Wednesday. So it's going to be a busy day. Thursday and Friday, pretty much there is nothing. So now we're going to be diving deep into each analysis. Let's take a look at some currency pairs, and of course we'll continue right after this commercial break.
Tradermatic, making trading fun, easy, and profitable. Visit www.tradermatic.net to get your copy at 80% discount today.
All right, welcome back. So we're going to be starting from NASDAQ. Okay, I'm going to be starting from NASDAQ. By the way, I'm going to be using both Tradermatic and the naked chart for today's analysis. As you can see on NASDAQ last week, I told us, we pick a trade right around this area, and I told us that okay, I'm going to be entering by last week, and of course that will be if you look at that very well, that was on daily, that okay, my stop loss will be coming right below there. That was last week, and of course the market started. Let me change this to naked chart for you to see what I'm talking about clearly. This was the trade that was picked last week. Okay, this was the trade that was picked last week for NASDAQ. So we said, okay, I was going to be putting the pending stop, buy stop right there, and my stop loss will come right below there. And I told us that I will be looking forward to take profit right there above right there. And of course, when we are talking about going or buying a particular currency pairs, I hope by now you know that it's not just going to go like this straightforward, like it's not a straight line. Just like success in life also is not a straight line. So it will go like what we just saw, to go up, come back. I expect it to continue up, come back, continue up, come back, continue like that. That is what I will expect. I am not personally expecting NASDAQ, except anything serious happens, to come below this area. If it comes below this area, then there is trouble, because it therefore means that it will not stop until it eventually got down. So continue this week. Also, I will go down to like 15 minutes. I'll be looking for buying opportunity on NASDAQ. Let's change back to our Tradermatic and you can see what I'm talking about. So if we look at on 15 minutes right now, you are look into Tradermatic, for the market to come back, meet with this 50 EMA, then looking for this stochastic come back to 20 and get above 20, then I'll be looking forward for opportunity to buy. I trade indices on 15 minutes, especially on a daily basis, if you don't enter a long position on higher time frame. Okay, let's take a look at GBPAUD. The same goes for GBPAUD. I will be expecting this market to retrace. Okay, I will be expecting it to retrace right here, possibly to meet with the 50 EMA, and then look forward for opportunity to go long on a GBPAUD also. That's what I'll be looking forward to do. Then on Wednesday, the same thing goes to GBP card based on our analysis. I'll be looking forward also to buy GBP card, looking forward for this market to come back and meet with the 50 EMA, as you can see right here. So, remember, we talk about the forecast, and we talk about the currency strength, that next week or this particular week, we are talking about right now that our GBP, as you can see, except anything changes on Wednesday, GBP is strong. Canadian dollars also is strong. So I'm not expecting too much of a movement. Okay, I will not be expecting too much of movement for GBP card because two of them are more or less on the same line right there. But when you look into GBP AUD, I will be focusing more on that, and GBPNZD. So let's go back to that market and see what we got right there. So GBP, let me share my screen. So GBP, let's take a look at GBPNZD. GBPNZD, as you can see, is been up. Okay, it's been up for a while. GBPNZD has been up for a while. So right now we are overbought on our stochastic. We are also above the zero line on MACD Pro. So what I will be expecting on for GBPNZD also is to retrace. I actually have a market that I'm watching right on this particular pair. So I'm very much interested even on this pair. So I'll be watching for this GBPNZD to come back, meet with our 50 EMA, then I'll be looking forward for opportunity to go long if anything doesn't change. So that is pretty much what I'll be looking forward to do this week. For EURUSD, I don't expect much for this week. For EURUSD, as you can see, we break this 50 EMA, we break this 76.4 FIBO level. Now we have our Phoenix right there. So what I will be expecting for EURUSD for this week is to possibly come back to retest this area. Okay, come back to retest this area. If I change this now to, let's change this to regular chart for you to see. So you see it clearly. This is what we have on for a very long time. You can see for a very, very long time, EURUSD was ranging between here and this area. Now we broke it right there. Okay, we broke it right there. Now it's coming back. As you can see, this candle, for me, it looks like a bearish engulfing candle. So if we come back to retest this area, okay, if we come back to retest this area, and if it bounces back, then we'll be on our way up, and it might not stop until we get over around that 1.16735. But if it breaks this particular support, because now it has broken this area, so the resistance has become support for this. But then if it breaks that area, then it therefore means that we are coming back down to where we were, which was 1.11890. So pretty much these are just the few markets for this week that I can see, except anything changes, and of course I will be updating you. Once again, thank you so much for being here, and if you love what we are doing and you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, do me a favor, subscribe to this YouTube channel, smash on that notification bell so that you will be notified whenever we upload new videos. As you know, we try to feed you and just educate you right on this channel. Monday, Wednesday, of course, you will always get the videos from us, and Thursday for Money Mastery, episode series of our reversion show, where we talk about how to manage and multiply money. You don't want to miss it. It's going to be every 7 a.m. on Thursday morning. And of course, you know that the Friday, you're always getting personal finance tips from me, different areas, investing, real estate, at least something that pertains to your money, how to invest and get to the next level. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I don't take this for granted. My goal this year is to drive the subscribers of this channel to 50,000, and I'm counting on you to make that happen. So do me a favor, share this video with someone, subscribe if you have not subscribed, and then look forward to see you in our next video. Make sure you look around right here on this channel and see if you have another videos that will pique your interest. God bless you, and I love you.
Are you ready to change your career, or are you looking to make extra income outside what you are currently making? Do you belong to one of these groups? 1. You've been hearing about cryptocurrencies or blockchain technology, but you don't have a clue how to get started. 2. You've been hearing about Forex trading, but you have no clue how to make money with it. 3. You have lost your hard-earned money into crypto sharks or Forex sharks. 4. You are sick and tired of your job and you want your freedom? The Forex Apostle Mentoring Program is the global leader in Forex, stocks, and crypto education. As a disciple of the Forex Apostle, you gain skills that you need to succeed in this new economy. Get more than just extra income. Start living life on your term and at your own design. Join the community of like-minded people working towards the same goal as you. Become a Forex disciple today. Visit www.theforexapostlementoring.com to join us.